This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by the Swanson Group. Bright and beautiful two-story and sought-after Lynden neighborhood. Brand new updates include interior doors, paint and carpeting as well as some light fixtures. Great floor plan. Main floor offers a den inside the front door, a dining room, a spacious kitchen with island, and a family room featuring a gas fireplace. Open up the French doors off the kitchen to overlook the private and sunny patio and backyard with views of Mount Baker. Upstairs there are 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Other features include wired for speakers, plus sprinkler system in front and rear yards. All this in an awesome location with close access to coveted Isom Elementary School and sports courts, as well as being very accessible to restaurants, shopping and other amenities. For more